So I decided what I'm going to make. I have carrots, I have tuna, and I have bread at home. Guess what? I'm going to make a pig tuna. Yes, a tuna melt and a carrot soup with some supplies that I have at home. Again, you don't have to use everything that's on the bag. You can always mix and match with what you have at home. And again, you can use any bread you want as well. Okay, let's get to cooking. Here we go. We get the carrots and throw it all with water and carrots in there. We're gonna use that. Let's use the second can of carrot, and here we go. Oh wow, yes. Boom. This is not just simple soup. We're adding garlic, we're adding onions, we're adding sweet bell pepper. Better than bourgeois. That's right. We're gonna enhance the flavor, salt and pepper to taste. The time has come for us to make the soup. So don't throw away the water. We're going to get a little cup and put it in the blender. Remember, we're going to have some cream cheese for body and texture. A little bit of parsley and some sour cream again for some creamy texture. We want the soup to be creamy. Here we go. We have the ingredients already chopped. You know what's the secret for preventing the avocados to brown? Put a little bit of lemon juice or lime juice or even a little bit of vinegar. Yes, it prevents from browning and it adds a little nice touch. So 2 tablespoons of mayo and a pinch of mustard. And we're going to put all of these chopped nice veggies into the salad. Oh, it's going to be so good. Oh, and don't forget your seasoning. Here we go. There is some salt, some pepper, some crushed red pepper, and some paprika. Look at this salad, y'all. Ooh, so colorful, so full of life. Here's an important tip. Remember to toast your bread if you're going to toast it in the stove, to have the heat in low and put some butter in that pan. Wow, y'all, look at this. This is the finished product. This tuna melt looks so good. And look at the soup. Oh, wow. Bad and bougie over here. This is so good. It's going to taste good as well. Let's get to tasting. And welcome back. We got done with our meal today. First, we made a carrot soup. Look at this soup, y'all. Wow, super fancy. If you want to decorate it with some basil, this is basil from my garden. And I have some Parmesan cheese on it too. This is really good. It's hot, so watch it. And look, the star of the game, this tuna melt. Look at this tuna salad I made. Wow, it has avocado, it has onions, it has tomatoes, of course, cheese. Look at that cheese. Oh, can't wait to try it. Let's get to tasting now, okay? Look, let's try our soup. How about that? I was going to taste the sandwich first. I'm like, no, let's do the soup first. Okay, here we go. This is how the soup looks. Very creamy. Look at that. Oh, yes. It's hot. Let's blow on it. It's delicious. It's creamy. The onions, the peppers, the crushed pepper, the salt to taste. Everything on it, even the herbs, are so good and so fresh. You wouldn't even notice this comes from a can, by the way. The carrots, nobody would notice that it came from a can. Obviously, the food, you have to put love into it. Now let's get into our tuna melt. Look at this. Yummy, yummy. The salad is good. It's creamy because of the avocado. The cheese gives it a sharp kind of taste. The bread is nice and buttery because I toasted it in the stove. Everything is so good. Again, you can make this meal and nobody would ever know that you make this from a food drive. Again, the food drive takes place twice a month. It's to combat food insecurities. Again, don't be shy. Go get the food because it goes to waste if nobody picks it up. Please. And you can make this nice meal at home. And let's get the hashtag going. City Cooking Challenge, because I made this so good. And anyone can make it at home. And even you can make it for like dinner, lunch, and even breakfast if you want. How about that? That's all we have with the cooking segment. Until next time.